partly installed. VHS D theatre, JVC. Yeah, there you can see model type. This also does VHS and Super VHS. Oh wow! But NTSC only, as DVHS D theatre was only for the Japanese market, USA market. I think I've got one movie that's just arrived in the mail. There's a DVHS in there, I think. Yeah, it's from the USA. This looks like it's possibly brand new. Peacemaker. Could have been opened and then what do you call it? Heat shrink resealed. I don't know. I thought it would add one of these specific sticker things that go over them. That's usually, but I think it is brand new. But then you think about it, the format, it didn't last, only lasted a few years. So I'll load that up in a moment once I've got the RGB leads connected and to the AVR and the optical lead, and yeah, it should work, I guess.